Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today I'm back with a traditional recipe of Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. It's called as Pachi Pulusu. It's very simple, easy to make, and we need a lemon size of tamarind which I've already soaked here. You have to soak it for 15-20 minutes. Some green chilies, curry leaves, little coriander, little bit of jaggery and one onion. So without any delay, we'll get into the recipe now. This is actually a simple non-cooking recipe. Only we need to burn this chilies here. The age-old tradition is to put it directly on the burner or use any kind of stand to burn it. But I'm using this kind of small kadai. So I'm just dry roasting it without oil. There is one more option. If you don't want to use green chilies or if you're allergic to it, you can use red chilies and also jeera. You can just dry roast them and use a mortar and pestle to crush it and then add it. Generally, if you burn it with using a stand, you'll get a lot of smoke, so I do use this. Be careful while doing this because green chilies usually release gas, so it may burst. You should have to slit it and then roast it to avoid chilies getting bursted. There are 2 or 3 different methods of doing this Pachi Pulusu. I am showing you the way I am doing it. We'll allow it to cool. So now we'll get ready with the tamarind pulp here. This is actually an easiest recipe. The total preparation time is just 15 to 20 minutes. Only the time taken is for the tamarind to soak. Or if you are using tamarind pulp, then you can make it very instant. Now to this I'll be adding salt, then this green chilies. This is optional. If you don't want, you can leave this, otherwise you can add 1 green chili here and you can add 1 smoked green chili, but I've added 2 here because I want to make it spicy. This raw onions, then this jaggery. Instead of this you can even add jaggery powder, but please don't skip this. This is mandatory because all items are raw and spicy. So you need to add this. I'm just breaking and adding this. Fine. I'm adding little curry leaves here and then rest will be going for tadka. Then coriander. With this we have to add 2 glasses of water. If you want, you can even add some more water to this. So the very important step is squeezing or bringing all the things together here. This enhances the taste. Now we have to add this also, but if we squeeze this with hands, it will be too spicy. So let me cut it into pieces. Mix everything and just check the taste. If you want salt or spice or jaggery to be added, just add it. This is one additional and optional step. This is I've taken just 1/4 teaspoon of rasam powder. I'm adding it. This is purely optional. If you don't want, you can skip this. The original taste of this is tangy, spicy and a little bit of sweet in it. Sweet and sour. So for the tadka, I've just added 1 teaspoon of oil here. Add 1 teaspoon of mustards, 1 teaspoon of jeera, and 1 red chili. Hing, and switching off, and curry leaves. Ready, as the name implies, pachi means raw. So here's your pachi pulusu ready. Please give it a try and let me know it in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do subscribe. Till we meet next time in a different recipe, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye-bye. Green chilies usually release gas, so it may burst. Thing is very spicy. But idu karayadu idla. So now this is done. Small piece of little bit of jaggery,